Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a new to my channel box. Now I've been waiting for this one since November. I signed up for it in November and they said I'd get my first box in December. So I expected it in December. It's now March. So I think this is the February box. It did not charge me for those months, by the way, so I don't really mind that it came late. But yeah, this is the Macy's beauty box. Did you know Macy's had its own beauty box? I didn't know that for a while. But this is $15 a month. They're going to send you 5 sample products plus a cute little pouch that they call chic and a bonus item. So that's going to be interesting to open. By the way, if you subscribe to this box, you also get $5 off of your next $20 beauty purchase. So you're actually getting a discount in the store if you sign up for this one. I do have a link below that will credit me like a sales lady if you go to Macy's, do that, and order this box or anything else. I appreciate that so very much. But right now, we're going to look at the Macy's beauty box and see what's inside here. I intend on contacting them and asking them why it took so long to get here. It just hasn't been a top priority for me simply because, you know, I've been busy. Stuff's been going on. Always stuff going on. But I did get outside the other day. It was pretty for the first day in a long time. So I went out and trimmed some of the hedges, did some outdoor work, spent a lot of time outside. I had a groom dog that day as well, so we were sitting outside watching Daniel cut the yard. It was a really nice day and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Now it's raining again, so anyway, you know, in the box I pulled this stuff out. I don't have the camera low enough that you can see everything, but let's see. A Macy's beauty box. So here is that $5 off my next beauty purchase code. It says that in here it's a $76.74 value. Love at first swipe. What's better than a box of chocolates? A box of best-selling beauty you're bound to fall in love with. From lip colors to mascaras, these picks will have you seeing red. Like I said, this was February's box, so it's all about love. And then it tells me about the products. Open, have fun, repeat. Your monthly beauty fix is here. We've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now, love them forever. Plus, check out how-to videos, full-size versions of your faves, and more at macys.com/beautybox. Very cool. So let's see. The first thing, these two were not in the wrappings. They were separate. So we have a perfume sample. Oh, I love a perfume sample. I don't wear perfumes too much, but I do on occasion. So this is Fame. I don't see it on here. This must be the extra. No, wait. Paco Rabanne. I know I'm saying that wrong. It says it right there. This is the Fame Eau de Perfume. POV, you're the newest celebrity couple walking the red carpet for the first time. That's what it feels like to don this playful and sensual Fame. It brings together notes of pure jasmine, succulent mango, and addictive, sensual, and creamy incense. It's $135 for a full bottle of it. You spritz it on your pulse points for maximum wear. Okay, so let's spritz it and see what we think. It looks like, is it a little owl? No, a little robot person. Is that what the bottle looks like? That's kind of crazy. They've been doing that lately, like all the perfume bottles. There's one that looks like a bright red stiletto shoe. I mean, it's interesting. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. I can smell the jasmine for sure. Mango. I don't know how to get mango. It's pretty. It smells like when you walk into Dillard's or a Macy's. That's what it smells like. You're next to the perfume counter. I mean, Do I think it's worth $132? I probably won't go buy it for that, but that's just me. This is Bobbie Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. Ooh, focus camera. Focus camera. It's not going to focus, is it? Okay. So, found it. No, that's supposed to be a lip tint. They must have run out of the lip tint. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what's in here. Anyway, this is moisturizes, smooths and primes, hydrates. Let's just look at the wee little sample here. And then I'll figure out if I'm overlooking it like I was earlier. So here is your eye base. Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. Pretty much all it says on there. And it is a cream. Ooh. Interesting. Not really much of a smell. Not that I can smell over the perfume. So that will give you a nice start to your eyes. It doesn't put any color, which I kind of like the ones that give you a little color because it kind of knocks out all that red and stuff I get on my eyelids. But it would be a good start to, you know, something for your eyeshadows to stick to. Very cool. Let's move on and unwrap this. Stuff are falling out. I think I have more than 5 items. 7, 8. Okay, I'm liking that. All right, so they probably just put this in for the lip balm, unless I'm overlooking that, because originally it was supposed to be a lip tint and bare pink in here. But I do have this lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Lip Gloss. I have a few of these. If you put this in your purse, it will stay there forever because there's no way you can go a single day without it. Not only does this creamy gloss glide on easy, but it stays on for hours and has the most delectable smell. It's $5 for the full size. You swipe the wand on your lips, a little goes a long way, but we won't blame you if you layer on this sweet pigment. So this is Creme Brulee, and we're just going to open it. And there it is. It is a very pretty little pink lip gloss. I do like it. I feel like I should put it on. I went dark today because I was trying to go with the green. So it's a little green in there with the pink I wore. This is the Babor? Babor? I don't know. Perfect Glam Ampoule Concentrate. That feeling when your crush asks you out, yeah. Babor bottled it. They bottled it. Meet the brightening, radiant, boosting, hydrating skin food that uses light reflecting, luminizing pigment to create a youthful glow and help to even out the skin. Full size of this product is $39.95. You pat it onto your clean, dry skin before moisturizing and let all the goodness absorb. So, yeah, I guess like a serum. Oh, and they're little individual guys. You shake them up and move them out. I guess this little guy has to be on there. Open it up. I don't know. There's instructions. Yeah, somehow this opens it up. Because otherwise it looks like this. This will be interesting to play with. Or you break it. You use this to break the top off and pour it out. 7 days to wow. More glow. There's something written behind every one of these. Highest quality. Flawless skin. Feel the difference. Get the glow. And ask for more. So very interesting. That will be fun to try. I don't know. I'm trying a fresh moisturizer this past couple weeks. That's all I'm using, morning and night, this one moisturizer to see if it makes a difference. I committed to do it for at least 14 days with my Sephora lady, and we'll see if it makes a difference. So far, I can't really tell a difference, but it's nice. I like it. I like the smell of it. Moving on. This is Mineral Fusion. It's a nail polish in Why Not. Oh boy, I thought about putting nail polish on today. This table squeaks and it's gonna drive me crazy. You heard the polish. Why not? Coat your nails in this gorgeous burgundy meets Pinot Noir shade. With a rich color like this, the chip resistant formula is basically a necessity because we're all too busy to constantly do touch-ups. It's a $9.99 for the full size. You swipe it on, let it dry, and admire it. So let's put some on. I am wearing a kind of a burgundy today. Ooh, it's dark. But it's pretty. I actually like it. I would consider it more of a wear in the fall color, but I can see wearing that. I think that's very, very pretty. Very me, actually. What do y'all think? Lancome. I was actually looking at buying this, so I'm super excited that I got a sample of it. This is my sister's favorite mascara. It's all she buys. And it is the Lancome Lash Idole Mascara. Fluttering your Lancome lashes will get you places. This lash lifting and volumizing mascara targets every single lash for an instant lift with length and fanning out volume. Plus, no clumps will be third wheeling your date anytime soon. It's $27 for the full size product. Layer on the formula to get your lashes as long as you like. Oh boy. This is a glossy black. It's number 1. I'm really excited about that. I mean, when you have something in your cart, you're ready to buy it and you've just been on hold and then it comes in a beauty box. Is there anything better than that? I just think that's so great. All right, so let's look at the wand. Look at the curve to the wand, and there's a short side and a long side, so you can get the mascara on one side and then fluff it out with the other, which I think is really neat. And I'm super excited to try this one. Super, super excited. Oh boy. We have a Lorac Primrose eyeshadow, a single shadow. I do like these, but I don't think the Lorac is magnetized. So you're kind of just, well, maybe it is. Hope it is, because I'd like to put it in a little magnetic thing. I found one time that it wasn't magnetized, and I was like, what do I do with this now? Oh, it's pretty. Look at that. That's very pretty. I like that. That's very nice. That'll look pretty on the eyes. And the color Primrose. Very cute. All right, there is one more thing in here. Lorac eyeshadow single in Primrose. We're here for these shimmery lids, and so is Lorac. This moderately medium tone warm dark peach shadow has an ethereal metallic finish that adds just the right amount of va-va-voom. Wear it alone or smoke it out for a darker date night look. Use a brush or your fingers to dab onto your eyelids. And that is this, which is also not on my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 because this is not on my list. So these are just some little makeup removing pads. I love these. I like these little travel size ones. These are super cute. So you wet these and you can take your makeup off without actually having to use a soap. I still do use a soap. I normally use one of these, take all my makeup off. And, you know, actually what I do is I use one of those oil-based, take it off. And then I use one of these to get the rest of it off, the stuff around my eyes. And then I use a regular soap because I like to make sure I have all my makeup off and start with a clean palette when I go to bed. But these are super cute with the little lips on them. How adorable. I like those. There's just not a brand or anything, I can tell you. Which I think is not smart because they should have put a brand on here if you wanted to buy bigger ones. But that's okay. It's probably just a free sample. And it does have a 1-800 number if you want to order any of the products. So what do we think? I think this box was definitely worth the $15 I paid for it, plus tax, you know. But to me, this mascara was worth the $15 because if I got a full size, it'd be $27. Then you add the nail polish, which for sure I'll use, the little lip gloss, the eyeshadow from Lorac, the eye base, the perfume sample, the really cool Ampoule sample. This feels like it's not even a sample, y'all. I mean, it feels full size to me. I'll have to look them up. And the makeup removal pads. I think this was a pretty good haul. What do y'all think? I'd love to hear y'all's opinion. Comment below if you'd like to keep seeing this box. If there's anything else you want to see, also, I'd love to hear that. Somebody mentioned to me a snooze box. Not snooze. Something. It was something like that. And I was like, well, what is that? And I looked it up and I found like a travel box, but that wasn't what she was talking about. And I thought, well, maybe it was Snarl's box, which I do know Snarl's box. I actually have kind of chit-chatted through text with the owner of Snarl box. They're really nice, by the way. I just haven't committed to buying one of their boxes yet, but I really want to. Really want to. They got some good stuff. But yeah. Anyway, like I said, if you want to suggest something, I'm all ears. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. I'd appreciate it if you would press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is free, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to subscribe to the Macy's box, there's a link below for that if you want to do it. Please share with your friends. Tell everybody about my channel. I really appreciate that so very much. Press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping this room, which y'all are getting to see more and more of, I'm so excited about that. There are 2 ways to do that. There's a super thanks, which is like tipping through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com I'm under Unboxed by G. So thank you so very much. The link is below for that as well. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.